Certified still ain't answer my question. Brandon will pick this up soon. Alright. Where's my phone at? Oh, okay. Hold on. What you talking about? Hold on. It is the price? Man, I don't know, man. I don't know. God damn, look at gold, dude. What the hell's going on with gold? Hmm. Interesting. Interesting. Alright, alright. Hmm. Hmm. Alright. So this thing just literally just made. Okay. Alright. Alright. Uh, hey, yo, what's up, Tony Gold? Alright, so. Alright, I don't know what the heck's going on. Alright. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Alright. It's already been an eventful day right now. It's already been an eventful day. Hmm. So I guess I must be getting delayed data or something like that. My data must be delayed or something. Because I'm not seeing any of this price movement on my NinjaTrader charts right now. Man, I must be getting delayed data or something. Hey, what's up, Steve? What's up? I guess I'll just fix it after the stream, I guess. And that's frustrating, man. That's frustrating. Okay, well. Okay, that's frustrating. Alright, so man, I would definitely suggest that if you have a practice account, I would definitely trade that tonight. I would not risk any capital tonight if you're trading any of the metals. I mean, dude, all my data right now is kind of messed up. I'm not getting real time. It seems like I'm not getting real time data outside of Top Step X right now. Because right now, it looks like Bookmap is not showing me real data, or at least it's not showing me this price right now. Right now, Bookmap is at 82.63, and on Top Step X, they're saying that silver is at 82.78. So I mean, all the data for whatever reason is it's not showing up. So tonight, I'm just gonna stick in the practice account tonight. I'm not gonna risk any capital. Hey, what's up, man? You said it happens sometimes when a new month start. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait until tomorrow. I was considering taking the trade on gold tonight, but with how crazy everything has been, I chose not to. I pulled the order. I mean, it didn't even come back up to where I had my order placed. It actually just continued to dump. But I'll just wait and see what happens tonight because I guess the conspiracy continues, right? That conspiracy continues. Apparently, so much has happened that caused that big drop to happen on Friday. And on top of that, these institutions were criminally charged with manipulating the metals market. Some people went to jail, to prison, but I doubt that they went to a hardened prison. I remember seeing this documentary as a kid where there's a prison for people that commit high-level white-collar crime, where they're in prison, but there are no bars, there are no guards. The prisoners can move freely. They have libraries, classes, education. It's basically a college dorm. I don't know if this prison still exists. I don't really care to even look it up, but it's very interesting that I guess the people that they used as scapegoats, because you got to think, the people that went to prison or the people that were charged, they had, I mean, they're not trading their own capital. They're trading these banks' capitals. And if this wasn't, what's the word I want to say? It's highly unlikely that they were acting on their own. I would just say that. They've already been criminally charged, so I don't have to say allegedly anymore. But I highly doubt that they were acting on their own and that they were just scapegoated. These banks had to pay out almost $1 billion fine, but they made over 20 or 40 billion. So it was just the cost of doing business. The cost of doing business. So a lot of people got liquidated on Friday. A lot of people was holding on to gold and silver, hoping for 150, 200, and literally one session it goes from 121 all the way back down to 78. And conveniently, these big banks got out at the bottom of Friday's move. So they got out of their shorts that they were underwater in. So, uh, obviously, what happened Friday was not a coincidence. It was an execution, obviously. So that's why the conspiracy continues. Oh yeah, it definitely was, John. Dude, you don't drop that much in one session. You just don't. And I was telling my trading partner, I was like, dude, if people don't believe that the market is rigged to make retail liquidity, I mean, if you didn't believe it before, you'll be foolish not to believe it now. Because Friday was a clean demonstration of what happens when the banks are up against the wall. They're in a position that they don't want to close for a loss, and they'll use any means necessary to get to what they want. So I saw this thing like way back when I traded options, and I forget which bank it was, where they said that they had like maybe 200 or 300 days of consistent profits. Yeah, it must be nice having consistent profits when you have unlimited funds and you have the Fed to bail you out and you don't have to close the losing position no matter how much underwater the position becomes. So it must be nice. Must be nice. But yeah, must be nice. So we also talked about I think it was what Monday, the FOMC was on Wednesday. So I believe it was either Monday or Tuesday we talked about this was Powell's chance to show that he is willing to play ball with this administration as he did with the Biden administration. The only reason why he was allowed to stay Fed chair during the Biden administration is because he played ball. And it's very interesting that it just feels like I mean, we kind of talked about the political games and the games that people play at high levels. It just feels that with the investigation into Powell, because I believe he said that we should expect more rate cuts in 2026, but all of a sudden at this last FOMC meeting, he says that the economy is strong and that we should realistically only expect one rate cut. That was a part of the reason why the next day the market kind of crashed, because again, Powell changed course. He said one thing and he did another. Because now he's saying, because I mean, you gotta, I mean, I get it. I try not to get into it politically. I try just to listen to what people say and see what they do. But you got to look at Powell's track record. He says data, 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 data. And then once he gets the data, he switches it up. I mean, that's a trend that, or that's a habit that Powell has. He switches up. And when he switches up, we get these big, massive drops in whatever market, like in these metal markets. And then right after, like it's like a chain of events. He showed his hand. He said that, no, I'm here until May, and I'm going to use this time to play the game that I want to play, regardless of any political pressure. And then they said, fine. They asked him, so what would you tell the next person that's going to take the position of the Fed chair? What advice would you give them? That was obviously a shot. That question was a strategic question. It was a shot. Letting Powell know that you fucked up. You are, I mean, shit, if you had a chance, you can kiss that chance goodbye to continue your term. That question was placed there on purpose. And then I don't find it a coincidence that the new Fed chair has been announced. Now, here's the thing that I don't get. Now, the whole reason why they said that this whole crash happened in the metals is because this new Fed chair is supposed to be dollar or he has a focus to make the dollar dominant again, which means higher interest rates, which is kind of crazy, because if Trump is getting rid of Powell because he refuses to cut rates. And he's bringing in a person that wants to see the dollar dominant again. That person is going to have to raise rates, which I'm pretty sure goes against what Trump has been saying that he wants. It would be kind of crazy if Trump yet again appoints somebody that works against his public interest. We don't know what his interests are privately, but publicly he wants the Fed chair to continue to cut rates so the economy can continue to grow and expand, which that will kind of increase inflation because of lower interest rates. You'll have more buyers. And when you have more buyers, well, the price goes up. And your dollar doesn't go as far. I mean, I understand that it's a delicate dance. I get that. But it wouldn't make sense if this new hawkish Fed comes in and his first thing that he does is raises rates about maybe 5% or some shit like that to strengthen the dollar. That would crash the metals. It would obviously the dollar would strengthen. It would crash the indices. It would crash everything. Which I really don't get that. That's a part of the game I don't get. I mean that would kind of be foolish. But I guess we'll see what happens. The reason why it has been announced that everybody's sold out of their precious metals positions is because this new hawkish Fed could potentially raise rates, and they wanted to get out of their positions. I don't know why. I mean, it's only February. The guy doesn't come in until like after May, so I don't know why anybody would kind of say that that's the reason why. But last week has been very interesting. We're still feeling the effects of, I guess the market's still digesting what happened last week. And we could potentially see more downside. We could potentially, because I mean, nothing's changed, I guess. We could see the market continue to sell off. We're seeing a big sell-off in the NASDAQ. We've seen a big sell-off in the metals. And it looks like, I mean, the market is in price discovery mode, and it doesn't look like it's trying to find any, it looks like it's not settling anywhere. We're getting these big moves back and forth. We're getting the spreads. Like it's trading into supply. It's trading into demand. And it's overshooting. Like gold doesn't necessarily overshoot, but well, I wouldn't necessarily say that it's overshooting. But these small candles are about like 10, 20 points. And this is a 100 tick chart. Each candle is about, or this is silver. I mean, you got candles that are, yeah, this is a 7-point candle right here. $60. So that's about like a 3-point candle. We're getting these big moves. And because of that, I'm just going to yeah, look at silver right now, man. This is ridiculous. I would like to be in the silver play right now, but yeah, my NinjaTrader charts are just messed up right now. I just don't understand why, man. I do all my charting on NinjaTrader, and I realize that right now I'm blind right now. Mhm. You said that you can't even get on NinjaTrader after you did the update. What's going on? Yeah, I don't update shit. Man, I don't update anything until something breaks. And so I absolutely have to update because we all know that. I mean, if y'all guys don't know, developers need to have job security, man. They'll fix it. They'll have a great product, but what usually happens is that because it's so great, they have nothing to do, and so they fix something and it breaks something else. I mean, that's just pretty well known in the developer uh, industry world, whatever you want to call it. So I don't update anything because it always breaks something. It always breaks something, and it never works as intended, which is completely annoying. Okay, well. Oh shit. Hmm. Well, I'm in the practice account. This is kind of an aggressive entry. This is super aggressive. I would not take this, but I'm in a practice account, so I will take it. Oh, you know what? Hold up, Top Step. Hold up, hold the fuck up. You know, Top Step didn't lock in that $7,000 win in my practice account. It didn't even lock. Hold up, hold up, hold up. You trying to cheat me in my practice account? Oh hell no, dude. Okay, here it is. All right. Yo, it's not reflecting in my P&L. It says I have $52,000. Yeah, what's up with that, Top Step? You ain't gonna give me my $6,200 that I made in my practice? Hold on. How did I lose 4,000? Hold up. Whoa, 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 whoa. How did I lose 4,000? I didn't even trade the practice account on Friday. What's up? Okay, never mind. I don't recall losing this much money on Friday. I did not lose $4,000 on Friday. Okay, what the hell's going on? I didn't even trade. Did I trade the practice account on Friday? Maybe I did. Maybe I did. Maybe I did. I don't know. I don't recall. Maybe I did. Okay. Maybe I did. My practice account. Messing with my practice account is like messing with my emotions. Hmm. I mean, it does look like. Let me see, man. Let me see, cause yeah, look at that, man. All right. You know. Hmm. Hold on, guys. Give me a second. Oh shit, did it? Hold on, what? What? Mm. So this doesn't look like it, but this move right here was more than 72 ticks. This is like this small move, or at least right here, was about like a 200 tick move from bottom to top here. That's what I'm talking about, baby. Yeah, I'm even though I'm making money right now, I still am not going to go into like a eval or a funded account or anything like that because it's too volatile. The candles are super deceptive right now. I'm getting my 72 tick. Look at that, man. 72 ticks hit in like a few seconds. Hit my damn target, damn it. Wow. Wow. Y'all guys saw that shit? Wow. 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 Wow, dude. Wow. Okay. All right. Wow. All right. Wow. Wow. Hold on. What? Hold on. So, John, you said that you took one trade on Top Step on Friday, made 550 bucks, and they applied it to an ineligible account closed from last April. How the hell did they make a mistake like that? And of course, you can't get in touch with support, right? Yeah. Yeah, I was telling Alfred earlier, I was like, dude, I don't want to be in a position where I have to trust Top Step to do the right thing. I don't want to be in a position to trust for them to do the right thing. I'm not suggesting that they don't do the right thing, but they definitely take their time. Um, Especially if it's a widespread issue. Uh, yeah, so I'll just not trade accounts that I don't want to. Yeah, it's like super volatile. It's super volatile. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Oh. He said they usually do, but they're changing. Yeah, I mean they definitely are, man. All right, man. Let's look at gold because silver's being super nasty to me right now. All right, so it looks like my all right, so it looks like my data is back to normal on yeah, they break the structure down. Then yeah, okay, so I'm still gonna wait. I'm still gonna wait. So over the weekends, I've definitely been thinking about how I want to start approaching the market because I mean just last week I got 3 payouts last week, and it's really got me thinking about how I want to start moving forward. Having times of like so at nighttime, I'm only going to trade during that time frame. If I can't find any trades between 7 or 6:30 to 8 around 8:30 ish, because what the move actually happens at like 7. So if you can get into a position at around 7 o'clock Central Time in gold or silver, then that should be the night. Anything other than that is hit or miss. And I won't take a trade until around like 5 o'clock until about like 9 o'clock Central Time in the morning. Like honestly, I kind of want to be done with metals around 7 o'clock in the morning. I want to be done with them. Mm. Mm. I was able to make some money in my so I just took a payout from Lucid. They paid me over the weekend, which was kind of surprising. I was expecting it to be like in the account like on Monday or Tuesday or some shit like that. But they actually paid me over the weekend. They actually connect to your bank account using Plaid. I think just like TPT, Alfred said that TPT also uses the same way to pay people out. But my broker does the same thing too, where it just connects directly to my bank account, and I can just deposit money into the broker. But I haven't traded. I haven't used them in so long with options. I mean, honestly, uh, ugh. Yeah, like man, that's why I was like, I'm not trading silver in none of my accounts tonight because she is super volatile right now. Super volatile. Super. And then, and this is what I'm talking about. Like, I mean, well, because this is my practice account, this move did hit my target, but I'm not really not necessarily focused on the results. But this did hit my target. This one, at least this trade did. But yeah, this thing stopped me out just to go in the direction I was trying to trade in. I don't know what the heck is up with this thing bouncing here, because it looks like this range is like right here. But Top Steps candles are Project X candles are kind of weird to me. So, yeah, I really don't know why it bounced there. Let's see if it bounces or if it rejects at the 200 EMA. Let's actually see if it breaks out. So I mean, let's look at the price action real quick. So I mean, we kind of did get a double bottom here. So a double bottom. So we do have a double bottom here. So that's why the market is bouncing. All right, so we do got them. So we got the bears failing. So probably, let's see. Hmm. 81. Okay, let's see. Honestly, hold on. What is this from? So we got like an old trend line or something. It's this trend like that. So if it doesn't bounce here, we're gonna probably see a flush back down to about probably that low. If it doesn't flush. Mm. Mm. $145. No, 110. Oh shit. Shit, Top Step hasn't done a fire drill in so long. I just blew my account. When's the fire drill? When's the fire drill? Yeah, I found myself stop watching Top Step X, not because it's anything bad or anything like that. I just found myself getting in the habit of becoming super reckless in my account because I knew that they was going to do a fire drill. I stopped watching all of these streams because of that. Because they're just giving out resets, and it just encouraged bad trading behavior. So I was like, you know what? Yeah, I can't get nothing to freaking sit here and just work tonight, huh? Yeah, this thing stopped me out about, so I'm down about like $2,000 right now. Yeah. No, I mean, shit. Those fire drills was probably costing Top Step probably like thousands of dollars, maybe even millions of dollars. Damn, Investor Z, for real? So a fire drill is so basically when Top Step would do a fire drill, they were just giving out free resets. It was a tactic that they started to use to get people to watch. Finally get this thing to freaking work. Like, god damn, Silver. Yeah, I was telling Alfred earlier, I was like, dude, Silver and intraday drawing, like, dude, if I had an intraday trailing drawdown, this account would have been blown. Silver jumps back and forth too much for me to even trust an intraday trailing account. I would trade gold before I would trade silver. You would have to catch a flush like this. And just like that, you know, I was just down 2K. I was just down 2K. And now I'm only down $200. Like, this is the power of trading silver. This is the power of trading silver. I'm only down $200 now. So I just literally made $1,800 on 2 micro contracts. Yo, isn't that crazy? I made $1,900 on 2 micro contracts. And you see how many times this thing, 1, 2, 3, 4. I mean, I guess some of these trades, I mean, it did hit my target. It just, I moved my stop, my entry down, or my exit down, and it came back and stopped me out. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I lost 9 times in a row, losing about 270. I think I lost 360 at the most. Anyway, I was down 2K, and literally one good trade brought me back with silver. That's why I really enjoy trading silver, because the risk to reward, all I need is one good trade and I'm back. That's it. One good trade and it's still going. It's still going. All right, let me see if I can get back in this thing. Let's see if I can get back in this. I'll probably push. He's gonna probably bounce or something, but we'll see. You ain't, nope. Oh God, oh baby, baby, please, please. Relax. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. Oh, I didn't mean that. I didn't mean it. Yeah. I didn't mean it. I was playing, damn it. Ah, damn. When I said baby relax, that means keep on doing what you was doing. You should know that. You should know better at this point. All right. Yeah. Yeah, I think all the firms actually did that. I mean, all the firms, initially to get people to come over and watch, is to give them free stuff. And then the people that's going to stay. And the people that's going to go, they'll go. It's a very effective strategy to get viewers. Very effective. Yep. Top Step showed that it worked. Everybody was paying attention to Top Step TV. See, but that's the thing, man. Top Step has been the market leader But for whatever reason, even though they've been the market leader, these other firms just copy what really works and just make it better. They say imitation is the best form of flattery, right? Oh shit! I didn't even know. Ah, god damn it! I didn't even know I got filled there. Okay, I don't know why she's even screaming her head off like that. Give me a second. Hmm. But yeah. All right. So actually, you know what? Maybe I should stop taking shorts. Actually, I should stop taking shorts. They didn't. Well, we'll see. We'll see what happens with this short right here. We'll see. But the market kind of triple bottom, like double bottom right here at this low. So maybe I should stop taking shorts because the metals is this is not the Nasdaq or anything. Triple bottoms means something. So if this short doesn't work out, then I'm trying to look for long positions. Trying to get long on a pullback or something like that. Let's see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Man, with the nasty candles. Bam. Bam. Dude, all I'm trading is 2 micro contracts. Catch it, like, dude, these candles are deceptive. That small candle right there, you think that was not like a real move? That was a 147 point candle from top to bottom. This is 140 ticks right here. Very deceptive candle. This is why I'm just going to I'm gonna stay in the practice account, and I made $1,200 in that drop. $1,200 in that drop. Crazy, man. Crazy. Okay. Oh, the MFF stopped giving out free resets. I mean, after a while, I mean, they got their audience already. So, I mean, that's just the whole point, just to get people to come in. All right. Well, let's see. So, mm, mm, mm. All right, let's see if we can find something on gold. I mean, we kind of right now I kind of feel like I'm gambling on silver right now. Yeah, so silver or gold. All right, so we're getting the market bouncing at that. It made it like a little double bottom right there. So we're also getting that big bounce on on gold as well. Where did the double bottom at? Like right here, double bottom at that low right there. Or is it this low? Yeah, so a double bottom at this low right there. So we're getting the market to bounce. We'll see. We will see. I don't know how I missed that. Well, I guess I wasn't really paying attention. Wasn't really paying attention, but yeah. All right, so I mean, yeah, that would have been a winning trade right there. That would have been a winning trade. So I would have taken this pullback right here. You see, back into this range. So yeah, like I said, these candles suck on this platform, man. I don't see how anybody can look at this and say, yeah, I'm definitely gonna take that trade. But there you go, right there. Right there on gold. That range, that pullback, I would have taken that trade right there. If I was paying attention to gold. If I was paying attention to gold, I would have taken that trade. Yeah, and it looks like that was like a clean flush too. Like as soon as it tapped it, it just flushed down. All right, so yeah, I guess with I guess yeah, it looks like they double tapped that range. So I guess man, we might see a rejection and then we might see it pull back, and then for a bounce, because technically it's broken structure to the upside. Technically. Mm. Yeah. Man, I don't know, man. All right, so we'll see if we get it. And then tomorrow, actually, let me do this. Let me do this now. Let me do this now, so I don't. All right, so I already did it on this account. All right, I already did it on that account. Let me do it on these accounts, on my XFAs or yeah. That's interesting. That is interesting. They took off all my. That's interesting. That's interesting. That's interesting. All right, so we put silver on this damn thing. That's interesting. Why did they take that off? Well, why was that removed? That's interesting. Then, because I'm not going to trade. I may have taken my daily loss limit off, but I know I didn't take this off because I was not going to trade silver in this account because it's only a 50K, and silver would have blown this damn thing up. Just one wrong move. Okay, well, good thing I checked. So I'm gonna lock that up and see how I got all this already locked. All right. All right, so just lock this up. All right, so all my XFAs are locked, so I don't come back and try to mess with things. Okay. All right, so let's see. Let's see if we can find something with gold. Yeah, I'm gonna follow my rules here. I'm gonna follow the rules. 4079. 4079. 999. Oh, that's cute. I'll leave it. Okay, I'll leave it there. All right. Okay. Hey, yo, what's up, the Trader Shop? You said what I'm doing? I'm buying this. I'm buying the retest of this breaker structure right here. Let's see if it works. Let's see if it works. This is a practice account. This is not like an eval or funded account or anything like that. It's a practice account. I'm not gonna trade gold in any of my evals tonight. Yeah, it's a practice. It's just a practice account. I did make money in my funded account, dude. I made that's the reason why. Actually, that's the reason why I'm not trading tonight, dude. I put on a position. This thing got filled instantly. It got filled instant. I was like, you know what? By the grace of the market gods, I got this. So I was like, you know what? I'll just come back tomorrow morning. As soon as I placed my limit, it dude, it opened and closed. I thought I lost money. How fast it opened and closed, and I was like, you know what? Nah, I'm good. I'm just gonna take the win, and I'm not gonna push my luck. I'm not pushing my luck. So I was like, I'm just gonna trade the practice account tonight on stream. Yeah, dude, like, yeah, it's crazy. Like, it's super volatile right now. Super volatile. Yeah. Shit, I guess we can look at the NQ real quick. Yeah, I told Smith that. Oh, hold on. He was messaging me. Hopefully, hold on. He said he was crazy. He says it's done for me. Ah, he went long, dude. All right, so we're in. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here. Let's see. Let's see. I mean, so far so good. So far so good. My only concern, yeah, there it goes. I was like, yeah, my only concern would be that EMA. That EMA say, get your ass back down there. Get your ass back down there. That would have been my only concern was that EMA. And there it goes. Okay. All right. All right. You got me. You got me. All right. So, 79. just in case it pops up. Shit. When is it? 70, 97, 3? 97, 3. Not the most ideal entry here, but damn. Okay. You said 43.89. Oh hell! Oh hell no! Hell no, gold. No, you better keep on dumping. You better keep on dumping. Now you better keep on dumping. So you said 43.89. Damn, that shit. That is a fall. Yo, are we seriously gonna give back the entire move on gold? Are we going back to 3K on gold? Oh shit. Are we really going to go back to 3K on gold? When did this happen? This happened. Hold on. This happened at 7:15. What was I doing? Oh, that's interesting. That's interesting. What the hell was I doing? So my setup actually presented itself at 7:23 on gold. I could have sworn I was in front of this desk at 7 o'clock, 7:20. That's interesting. I didn't even see that. Interesting. It's not even on here. Interesting. Interesting. Okay. Well, I could have sworn I was looking at gold at that time. All right. So I guess. All right. So silver, we got a break instruction with silver. So it broke down past that low. It broke past the major low. So now we can look for pullback shorts if we even get a pullback. If we even get a pullback. All right, the Trader Shop, man. Have a good night. Shit, the way that is moving, gain weight might actually have been right. No, we're gonna have to interrogate gain weight. We're gonna have to interrogate. 570. He randomly said one day, talk about I'm gonna short this thing down to like 30 or 40. Where you get that idea from? The market was super bullish and you talking about 30, 40, and it looks like that's exactly what the market's trying to do. Where'd you get that information from? 590. Yeah, I do recall that at the trader shop. And Steve, dude, I wouldn't be surprised. The tensions with Iran has been growing for a while, and any further escalation would pump up the metals. It would pump them up. So it's like, man, hurry the hell up and get out of your shorts. But man, a lot of like, dude, we're definitely living in interesting times, man. It's definitely a lot of interesting things going on. Okay. To the market. Uh, well, yeah. I guess it's for the best. I guess it's for the best. These are my worst kind of market conditions. When the market does not bounce and it continues to go in the direction, these are the days where I lose the most amount of money on days like these. I prefer the market to range and then trend, not necessarily trend. I'm more of a My strengths are more in range days, but we haven't had a range day in so long. I really definitely have to pick my spots because the market does like to trend a lot. Ooh. Yeah, that's definitely true. That's definitely true. And gold definitely. So as y'all guys remember, I used to fight the trend on Nasdaq all the time, but I mean, knowing exactly how the Nasdaq trades, it's understandable to fight the trend on Nasdaq. It's understandable because the market will do this, and then out of nowhere, you'll get a reversal. You'll get a reversal out of nowhere. I mean, if you look to the left, I mean, if the market tapped into this and then bounced, I mean, I guess, but if you're trading short term, the Nasdaq is notorious for doing this, coming all the way back to your break even potentially stopping you out, and then trading in your intended direction and actually hitting your target. So that fighting against the trend habit tendencies that I had was from the Nasdaq, but I tried to bring that behavior over here on when I started trading gold, and gold definitely humbled me. That definitely changed. Excuse me. Fighting against the trend on gold is literally just giving it money. Once it picks its direction, it's going in that direction until it hits supply or demand, and then it'll reverse. It doesn't reverse before that. I don't fight the trend on silver. I don't fight the trend on silver. I have not taken a counter trend trade on, dude. I only have 27 ticks. I only give myself 27 ticks on silver. There's no way that I can be successful and trade against the trend on silver. It just doesn't happen. It just doesn't happen. I think silver is the one instrument that I just will not trade against the trend against. Yeah. You say yes, I have. Well, shit. If I have, I must be doing it subconsciously because consciously, yeah, I don't recall that. Now, if you're referring to if when I'm trading on tilt, that does not count. Tilt trading does not count. Tilt trading does not count. I'm trading on tilt. course I'm not making the best decisions in the moment. They're all emotional, impulse. I'm trying to get my money back as quick as possible. And if fighting against the trend is going to give me my money back, well, shit, that's exactly what we're going to do. But of sound body and mind, no, I'm not trading against the trend on silver. Mm. Mm. Oh, come on, silver. Oh, come on. Come on. Okay, I mean, I guess I would have got my 72 tick target hit, but come on, man. Come on. Come on. Shit, I'm trying to look cool. Trying to look cool from the street. I'm trying to look cool. Come on. Like, yeah, I just got me a 200 tick target. Whatever. That's normal here. Oh, come on, dude. All right, silver. Whatever. Why don't you say you wish you didn't count? You say you wish you didn't count. Hey, it don't count. Yo, you gotta tell top set support. It was like, hey, I was trading on tilt. And that shit don't count. I mean, yeah, I was trading counter trend on silver. I was tilt. That shit don't count. I need you to erase that day for me, that trade for me. Please and thank you. Please and thank you. Oh, come on. Come on, silver. That was kind of nasty, dude. Come on. Come on. That was kind of nasty. Let's see. That was kind of nasty. Trying to look cool in front of my friends. Oh, man. All right, man. Oh, really? Honestly, I mean, I don't know, man. Oh shit. Oh man, I didn't mean to do that. I did not mean to get in right there. I did not mean to get in right there. The one thing I will, dude. Oh no. Oh, silver. What? Why? No. 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 Why? All right. Yeah, this thing is like super volatile, man. This thing is finding every single chance to stop me out. I think we take out this low. I think we take out that low. I think we take these lows out. I mean, I guess it needs to stop me out first. And come on, silver. I'm trying to look cool. Come on. Stop being nasty to me. You know what's crazy? This candle was 52 ticks. That was a 52 tick candle. As crazy as that freaking sounds, man. Shit. This candle was 52 ticks. It hit my target right, yeah, that was a 52 tick target. It hit my target right there. That was 52 ticks. Crazy, man. Crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. Yeah, no wonder why they got the margins as high as they do, man. You open a position and it's like, damn, how am I down $10,000? Hmm. 10. Okay. All right, so I'm down $2,000 again, not taking profits. I mean, all right, so if it breaks this, man, come on, Silver, stop being nasty to me, man. Stop being nasty. All right, Top Step. All right, so I mean, it looks like the Bulls are trying to buy it, but I mean, they're buying against all this bearishness, which is, I mean, I guess if they do break this, I guess we could see this thing push. All right, so let's see if Silver's gonna be trying to be nasty to me here. I'll buy into the seller stops. Oh, ooh, ooh, ooh. Dang, you speak of the devil right there. So I bought into the seller stop right there. And we're just getting the stop run higher. There we go, baby. There we go, baby. All right, so we got this trap high right here. Let's see if they try to. They're gonna trap above these highs, or if they're gonna just come right back down to my break even. All right, let's see if this thing can run all the way back up here. All right, where can this thing go? Where can it go? Where can it go? Where can it go? Let's see if we can get like a 200 tick move out. Okay, never mind. All right, so the height of this, 121 ticks was the height of this move. 121 ticks so far. But I'm just gonna put this up here. God damn, dude. Okay. So yeah, I guess they did come at this trap high right here. So looks like that was a trap high right there. Oh, I was about to say, dude. And you know what? Yo, that was kind of sneaky. That was kind of sneaky. Hold on. That was kind of sneaky, Top Step. That was sneaky. So, topstep.com. So, I blew that practice account, and then it switched right to my funded account. And good thing I paid attention to it. Good thing I paid attention to it. Almost made a mistake in that account, and that would have pissed me off. Okay. Okay. So 321, 371. I mean, it's not even worth it, man. It's not even worth it. So it's not under billing, right? Count. Okay, almost messed up there. All right, so we're back in a new practice account. Hey, gang, wait. How'd you know that we was gonna drop on silver, gang? Wait. How'd you know? Yeah, the price action is definitely insane, man. You said he got one more short on NQ tonight? Welcome back. Oh shit, I didn't even know I was in a position. I didn't even know that. Okay. I didn't even know. We up 120 ticks, baby. All right. $496. Damn. You know what? Dude. On 2 contracts, I'm up $2,200 on silver. Dude, I just had a $2,200 move. $2,200. There we go, gold. Do your thing, gold. Do your thing. Do your thing, gold. Do your thing. And this is why I can't like, dude, I got 5 micro contracts and I'm only up like $400. I'm only up $400. I got 2 silver contracts and I just made $2,200. Silver is not going anywhere. Gold, you just have to stay the side piece, man. You made $2,200 on 2 micro contracts on silver, only risking $270. How can you beat the risk to reward like that? You can't beat that. It is too good. It's too good. Risk to reward is insane. 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 And look, I got 5 contracts. I'm up 56 ticks. I think the most I was up. So I would have, or actually, no, I wouldn't have got my target hit right there. My real target would be right here at 85.7. But I would have gotten a hit if I actually got in at the area that I wanted to get it at. So I would have gotten this target hit. But I kind of got in kind of late. I was trying to get in at that pivot. And this is that pivot that I was trying to talk to y'all guys about. I mean, if y'all pay attention to gold, gold's been bouncing at, been reacting at that order block, and then that pivot right there. That pivot. This is the order block right there. You see the range, and then it makes the pivot, and then it bounces, and I was trying to get in right there, but the market kind of just moved too fast, and I would have got the target hit. But and look at it, it's trading right through the order block. Yeah. All right. Well, yeah, I guess order blocks don't mean nothing on gold anymore. All right, 62, 7. So 62, 9. Let me see if I can get in right there. See what happens. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. And gold was like that. Let's see. And this thing almost stopped me out. I think it probably would have stopped me out. It's 54 ticks. Let me see. Oh no, it would have just missed me. It would have just missed my stop. 54 ticks. 81 ticks up. My target would be at 73.5 would be my target for gold. 73.5. Let's see. This will be my target. Well, shit. If you got a short position and you're targeting about, you said like 30, 40, 50, 60 on silver, shit, you almost there. And I mean, at the rate this thing is falling, I wouldn't be surprised. I wouldn't be surprised, honestly. Hit that target, baby. Hit that target. Hit that target fill, baby. Target fill. And you know what? This is a 180 ticks. There we go, baby. There we go. I'm only up $500 though. But there we go. I'll be up thousands of dollars right now on silver. So shit, 108 ticks. Oh, baby, please slow down. Slow down. All right, so we up like 17, 16 points. 178. So the top of this was like 167 ticks, just about. We just rounded to 170 times 25. I would be up 4K in a silver trade right now, and I was only up right here. God damn, damn, damn. God damn. I mean, well, I would have got my target hit. I would have been happy right here. But damn. Yo, if I didn't take profits right here, well, I didn't take profits, but if I was like in my funded account, well, if I was in my funded account, I would have taken profits. But if I wasn't in a funded account and I didn't take profits, yo, that is crazy, man. That's crazy. I was about 2 ticks away from getting stopped out of this. 2 ticks away. It comes back up, hits the target, and then it super dumps. Man. So I don't care who I hurt. What? Man, okay. So I had a lot of winning trades today. Would be winning trades if I took them like in an eval or like a funded account. They turn into losing trades because I didn't take profits. Is there like a message somewhere in that? Is there a message in there? Is there a message somewhere? I had winning trades. I got greedy. They hit my original TP. They missed the adjusted TP, and it came back and stopped me out. Is that a message? Hold on. What is this guy doing? Hold on. Is this guy in the XFA? Oh, he has a 60K balance. All right. So I'm looking at the hold on. Oh, this guy's in silver begging and pleading. Dude, he's in like 25 micro contracts, dude. He's asking, please. He said, please. He said, please. He just lost 8K if he took that short. He just lost 8K, dude. Yo, silver. I'm not gonna sit here and not understand what this guy is going through. He said, please. He said, please, please. Yo, where that meme at, dude? He said, please. He said, please. Where that meme at, man? I promise not the full port again. Please. Please. Man, come on, dude. Said this is all I got. Oh, you said it to the DM? Okay. The dude laughed at it. Dude, that is hilarious. That is fucking oh, that is hilarious, dude. That is hilarious. That is hilarious. Dude, I mean, I get it, man. That's why it's hilarious. I find myself doing the same thing with silver sometimes, man. So, like, dude, you make so much money on silver. You just start gambling. Like, dude, before you know it, it's like, that looks like a short. That looks like a long. Let me just try. And either it's going to work or it's not. And then I just find myself, it's like a slot. Like, silver, it literally feels like a slot machine when you trade it. Like, it's literally a slot machine. So GC just lost a 4-hour EMA. I mean, got like, dude. Well, I mean, I kind of come into this chat to kind of see what other people are talking about, but All right. Yeah. But silver is definitely a slot machine. If you don't have the balance for, I would never trade silver in a personal account until I get like a balance. I will trade silver in a prop account every single day. Every single day I would trade it in a prop account. In a personal, shit, I'll probably trade like honestly, I really don't even know what I would trade. I think you have to have like a decent size account to trade micro gold now. I mean, if I had to choose, it would be gold. It would definitely be gold for sure. But now I think you need like a balance to trade gold now. Because of the margin requirements. I mean, I haven't looked at the margin requirements. I really don't even care to look. But I just know now that you just can't get away with the $500 account and trade gold, because I think like the margin requirements might be like what, $100 or some shit like that, maybe. I'm not sure. Don't quote me. I'm not sure. I just know it went up. All right, so this will probably be like my last trade. I kind of figured it was going to do that. Kind of figured it would do that. Shit, you know it. Ah, damn. You know it, game weight. Ah, come on, man. You know it. And Top Step X doesn't make it any better. It does not make it any better. It does not make it any better. I mean, shit, dude, this thing is literally moving. Like you said that they're trading it like it's a video game, but dude, this thing literally just probably dropped about 10 million points. And dude, the session just started. Where, I mean, hold on, let's look at the session high. The session high is where? The session low is at 4,600 on gold. That's the session low. The session high is at 4,906. This thing dropped 300 points. The market just opened 5 hours ago and it dropped 300 points. And you said that I'm not supposed to look at this as a video game? The trade, hold on. The trade micro gold is $47,000? Well, I guess I can't trade micro gold. That's crazy. Unless it's for silver or for the minis. Wow. Damn, for micro silver? Damn, that's crazy, man. Well, I'm not ever putting $47,000 into a personal account. I wouldn't do it. I would grow an account to 47,000, but if I were to grow an account, I think I would trim. I think the most that I would keep in an account at one time would probably be 5,000 maybe. And anything over 5,000, I would withdraw. Or maybe what I'll probably do is every time I make $1,000, I would just withdraw the $1,000. I'm a shower, not a grower. I like to show my account, but I don't like to grow it. I don't like to grow it because I start looking at the account. I mean, I like growing my bank account, but not my trading account. I find that hey, yo, what's up, Katie? I find that I'm more focused when my account is under like $1,000. I'm more focused. But you said for gold, I need $7,800 in my account. Yeah, I'm not doing that. That's just too much money. Like, I mean, that's too much money, man. That's too much. Especially, and well, I mean, yeah, $7,800 is a lot. That's a lot. That's like somebody's car payment or some shit like that. Not a car payment, but you can pay your car off with $7,800. You can pay something off with that type of money. I don't ever feel comfortable putting that money up to gamble, especially when there's prop firms. I really don't see a point. For me personally, I mean, that's just me personally. I'm not saying that it's wrong or anything. I'm just saying, it's just for me personally. I just can't justify because I mean, the logic and reasoning behind it would be like, well, if I can make money in my personal account, then take it from these firms. I mean, why wouldn't you? And I'm speaking to myself. Instead of putting $7,800 into an account and trading it, why not use, I mean, not even half of that, maybe a quarter of that, maybe $1,000 of that to buy prop accounts and extract money from the markets that way. Low risk, high reward. The only money I lose is the money that I put into the account. and the time that I put into the account as well. It's all I lose versus losing the full $7,800 balance. Well, I don't think prop firms are going anywhere though, Gainweight. Everybody is making too much money for a prop firm to go away. The CME is getting their cut. The firms are getting their cut. The brokerage are getting their cut. Dude, that shit ain't going nowhere. The same thing with sports betting. That shit is not going nowhere. Too many people is washing too many hands. This money is washing too many hands for that shit to be like, oh yeah, let's just ban them. And then what? For the market to go back and trade in like what, a 10-point range? Ain't nobody about to do it. We're used to the market moving in 100 points in a leg. The market ain't about to go back to going to trading about 10 points. They ain't about to do that. They are not about to do that. But if they do, then I wouldn't mind just trading like a $500 account and growing it. Obviously, I will be trading like one contract per position. I definitely would have to. I would definitely have a different mindset in terms of me taking profits, because it'll be my money. And yes, I think I'll still have the same style of trading. I believe that the only difference would be the size, obviously, but I think I would probably do the same thing. I have a winning strategy. I have at least a 1 to 2 target and stop loss. So yeah. Yeah, I think I would still trade the same. I don't think I would change anything up too drastically. Damn, okay, shit. I mean, damn. Gold? Shit. Damn. All right, so this will be my last trade right here. We'll see what happens with it. We'll see what happens with it. All right, so this would be my target right here, a 1 to 2. Let's see what happens with it. Mm. Five micro contracts on gold. And then this move, all I'll make is $540 minus commissions. So I'll make only $530. All right, great trade. Oh, well, never mind. Still in it. Still in it. Nice. 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 Mm, nice. Nice. Yeah. What? All right, gold. All right, man. All right. All right. Okay. Oh, okay. All right. Okay. You almost had me there. Okay. Mm, okay. Well, I would be highly disappointed. Yeah, be highly disappointed here. So I got 98 ticks, 95 ticks out of this move, and then it goes back, and it looks like it's gonna potentially. Okay. All right. All right. Well. Okay. That's disappointing. That's disappointing. God damn. Okay. Oh wow. It just would have. Dang. It just would have ticked me too. Dang. It just would have ticked me and bounced. Wow. Okay. But all right, guys. That's it for me. I think we've had fun today. Gambling, gold, and NQ. We had a bunch of good trades on silver. I think. But then we had some good trades on gold as well. I think this was like the only trade that missed my target, but I mean we was up 95 ticks, so I mean that's still a good trade. So all right, man. Hopefully the market figures out what it needs to do overnight. Uh, I do plan on trading my evals tomorrow, so hopefully the volatility just kind of just simmers down overnight, and we can get some good trades going in tomorrow. So, but all right, guys. That's it for me tonight. I do appreciate everybody that joined. We'll definitely come back tomorrow morning, and we'll definitely look for more opportunities to earn some more money. And with that said, peace out, everybody, and keep on.